We'll guide you through how to create a Figma design course. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Figma's website and log into your account. Make sure you're familiar with Figma's interface as you'll be teaching others how to use it. Start by creating a new project. You can do this by clicking on the new project button on your dashboard. Name your project something relevant to the course you're designing. This could be something like beginner Figma course. Next, you'll want to plan your course structure. Think about the key skills you want to teach and break them down into modules or lessons. For example, you might start with an introduction to Figma's tools, followed by lessons on creating shapes, using text, and working with layers. Once you have a plan, create a different page within your project for each module or lesson. This helps keep everything organized. As you build out each page, use Figma's tools to create visuals that illustrate your teaching points. You can use frames to create different screens, add text boxes for descriptions, and incorporate images or icons to make your lessons more engaging. Consider creating templates or reusable components if there are elements you will repeat throughout the course. After your content is ready, think about how you will deliver the course. You might record video tutorials using screen capture software to walk through your Figma project, or you could create a PDF guide that includes screenshots and explanations. Finally, decide on a platform to host your course. You could use an online learning platform like Teachable or Thinkific, or you could host it on your own website if you prefer. Make sure to include a way for students to ask questions or provide feedback. This could be through a discussion forum or a contact form. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.